Have you checked out the new mAadhaar app? You can find all Aadhaar online services on it. Download the new mAadhaar app from Google Play Store or the App Store. The welcome screen of the app provides an overview of the Aadhaar related online services that can be obtained on your smartphone. Before proceeding, the resident is asked to provide consent. Select a relevant language option to proceed. Enter mobile number registered with Aadhaar. Enter the OTP that has been sent to the mobile number you just entered.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for Aadhaar related latest videos. मेरा आधार मेरी पहचान.